The band's waist height, starting with it in the palms face up. Turn the palms down so your fists are facing forward, elbows shoulder height, pushing forward. And remember, when you're doing this, if it's too easy, shorten the band. If it's too hard, you can lengthen the band and only do as many as you're comfortable doing. Make sure you're leaning back in your chair so you're fully supported at the back of the chair. And when you've had enough rest, if you want to rest for a moment and join back in, you can. Listen to your own body, do as many or as few as you're comfortable with doing. The more often you do this workout, the more you'll be able to do, the stronger you will be. Great work, just give it a bit of a shake out.